If you think of the Netherlands, surely local icons will come to mind. But Holland has so much more to offer. From welcoming hospitality of its people, beautiful surroundings and landscape, and of course, the authentic charm of food that caught us guilty. Let's experience our take in this land. For the local produce that you can find in the Netherlands, they either come straight from the farm or you can get from the fresh market like this. In this episode, together with another special guest, we'll be introducing more few recipes that's going to excite you at home. My journey begins by visiting the Hague market, or locally pronounced as the Hague market, and located on Herman Koster Street. The Hague market is the biggest outdoor market in Europe, where you can buy just about everything here on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Saturdays. There's almost nothing that the Hague market does not offer. Approximately 500 stalls are built up under all weather conditions, offering a huge variety of exotic food where you can enjoy all sorts of juices, local produce, foods and many more. It's even impossible for a visitor to leave empty-handed once you enter the Hague market. From the moment that you enter the Hague market, you know that you're somewhat different compared to the standard Dutch market, which can be quiet and subdued. The Hague market is colorful, loud, and certainly inspiring. This place has the best price and quality seafood. I sometimes find myself breaking out in laughter as I listen to the calls of the vendors trying to lure customers over with a good deal. And guess what? I just strike a good deal. Special price for a brother, yeah? Yeah. After this, many Malaysians will come here. Yeah. I work here. Yeah, I work here. Ik woon in Borburg. Ja, Borburg, ja.
Oké, goed.
Ja, ik ben chef-kok.
Jij bent chef-kok?
Ja.
Het clean zo?
Ja, clean, ja.
Oké.
Ja. Speak. Ja? Speak. Mooi, ja? Mooi. Ja. A good catch for a perfect dish, anyone?
Thank you very much.
Okay, dankjewel. Ja. Okay, ja.
Bye.
Bye. Sorry, ja.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thanks. The Hague market is probably one of the best places to get affordable fruits, veggies and even street food. I consider it's one of my favorite places to bring guests. The produce section is the most well-known part of the Hague market. Here the vendors scream out the prices and the crowds walk around assessing whether the goods are worth the price. And look at me, I just can't resist temptations. I keep trying all the good stuff because once you are here, you just can't say no.